Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your system and preparing the media. First, check that your version of Windows or your chosen utility supports animated lock screens, otherwise install a reputable app. Once done, pick a short MP4, GIF, or app, smaller than about 15 MB, to reduce CPU and battery impact. Make sure to disable quick lock timeouts and close heavy programs so you can test without interruptions. This setup prevents playback glitches and keeps the process focused and efficient. Next, install your live lock screen application and grant the permissions it requests. It needs background access to show on the lock screen. Then import the prepared media file and set playback options, loop or single play, start/stop triggers, and scaling to fill or fit the screen. Make sure GPU acceleration is enabled if available to offload CPU work. Also set the display target to lock screen only so your desktop stays static. These configuration steps ensure smooth playback and minimal system cost. Finally, lock your PC and watch the live wallpaper run. Observe performance, battery drain, and animation smoothness. If you see a black screen or stuttering, re-encode the file to a compatible format, H.264 baseline at a lower bitrate, or toggle hardware acceleration in the app. Once fixed, make sure the app is set to launch at login so it activates before locking. If problems persist, revoke permissions and revert to a static lock screen image as a stable fallback to avoid frustration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.